What's this?
Nothing.
Nothing. Frank's 5-minute oil change?
It was just $108.
$108? Do you know how much you could have saved doing it yourself and had a lot of fun? Everything you need is right here. I've been using ARGOS for every oil change lately. Can't go wrong with it.
You're the man.
You see it?
Ew, what is that?
That's what Frank's 5-minute oil change left in there for $108. Start it up.
So we're good? It's done?
It's that easy. No more Franks. Deal?
No more Franks.